Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to do the LVS of design circuit after layout designing. So we know a successful DRC ensures that the layout passes through the rules designed for faultless fabrication. However, it does not guarantee if it really represents the circuit you desire to fabricate. So in our case, for an inverter, we really need a tool that can compare the connectivities of our layout with that of the schematic and ensures that it really represents a layout for an inverter. So one way Keras does this is by generating an XSpice netlist file from the layout and comparing it with the netlist for the schematic. So this is the basic essence of the LVS tool. So let us start with how to do the LVS. Okay, so let us go with caliper, and after that we have to select an LVS. Okay, so a new slide will open. Okay, so here we have to check the rule file and load our rule files, and we have to select the file, and since we are working on 130 nanometer, so here we have to select 130. Okay, after this one and this one. Now okay, this one. Okay, here it is. So and rule text and caliber. So here LVS, and after that we have to select this one and then press OK. So here we see we have this one, and we have to check the inputs and outputs after loading. Okay. So here inputs are this and outputs. Here we will select our file LVS rule and then path. So let us close all of these files. After closing all tabs, we will be opening again. Okay, so here tools and then library manager, and we have to select our inverter 7 layout. So here we will be pressing Shift E to get the all layout. Then we will be doing LVS again. Okay. Now we will be doing the run LVS after checking all the inputs and outputs, and after this. Now run LVS. Okay. Alright. So if it is fine, hopefully, then okay, fine. Yeah. We will be having 3 signs for correct and one amazing smiley. See how it looks. Okay, so we have matched our LVS, layout with schematic. So this is how we all do this thing.